Everybody, Zachary Fruhling, aka Cozy Azeroth here. I am working my way through an old Texas Instruments TI-99 4A programming book. 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer by Len Turner. I'm up to program number 94, which is called Making Things Move. I'm going to read the brief program description, get into TI Basic on the Classic 99 emulator, which emulates a TI-99 4A on a modern PC, type the program in, run it, see what we can learn from it, and see what we can make it do. Okay, program number 94, Making Things Move. Movement on the computer display screen is an illusion. As in any television picture, the turning on and turning off of dots in a pattern across a screen can seem to provide motion to an object drawn on the face of the tube. There are a number of ways to get the look of motion. Let's send a dot across the screen. Okay, so very simple program that's going to send a dot across the screen. Let's get into TI Basic and get typing and see what this program does. 10, call clear. 20, define a character, call char. Looks like character number 128. And it looks like it's going to be 16 Fs, which is just a solid square block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 30 for C equals 2 to 32. 40, call HCHAR. 12, comma C, comma 128. 50, for T equals 1 to 25. 60, next T. Just a very short time delay loop there. Basically counts up to 25 and then moves on. Okay, 70, call clear. 80, next C. Ends our for next loop that started on line 30. 90, for C equals 31 to 1. For C equals 31 to 1. Step, I think I saw step minus 1. So it counts backward from 31 to 1. 100, call HCHAR. 12, comma C, comma 128. 110, for T equals 1 to 25. 120, next T. Oops, holy typos. Next T, there we go. 130, call clear. 140, next C. And 150, go to 30. Okay, I'm going to clear the screen, list out the program. We're going to skim the program looking for syntax errors, math errors, typos, anything of that sort. And at a glance, it looks good. Doesn't mean there aren't any errors, but I don't see any at a glance. Let's run the program. There's our moving dot. Get a few screenshots of our moving dot here. Just bounces back and forth. So you can see the seeds of a ping pong game or something to that effect here. And of course this really does drive the point home that motion on any kind of display screen is basically an illusion. Turning dots on and off in different positions makes the illusion of motion. That's all this brief program does. But I like this book. It's filled with useful tips and tricks for doing computer graphics and many other things on the TI-99 4A. Well, that was program number 94, Making Things Move, from 101 Programming Tips and Tricks for the Texas Instruments TI-99 4A home computer. If you want to see the book where this program came from, I'll put a link to it in the description. If you happen to be catching this video after the fact on my YouTube channel, be sure to check out the rest of my YouTube channel. You can find it under Cozy Azeroth, which is my handle on Twitch, a little nod to my favorite game, World of Warcraft, or under my real name, Zachary Fruhling, for lots more TI-99 4A content, retro programming, retro gaming, World of Warcraft live streaming, and miscellaneous educational videos on a wide variety of topics of interest to me, both professionally and personally. And if you happen to be watching this live on Twitch, be sure to say hi in the chat when you catch me streaming, and same thing, be sure to check out my YouTube channel for all the above. And in any case, whichever platform you're on, please check me out on the other platform. And I appreciate all the enthusiasm for these TI-99 4A streams I've been doing lately, along with any likes, follows, and especially subscriptions if you appreciate the TI-99 4A content. The subscriptions really do help me out greatly in these challenging and frankly difficult financial times. Thank you very much, and I will catch you in the next video.